10 facts about owls. Hi, I am an owl. I will tell you 10 facts about me. Fact number 1. I am a creature of the night. My large eyes help me see in the dark, so I can hunt while others sleep. It is like having built-in night vision goggles. Fact number 2. When I fly, you won't hear a thing. My feathers are designed to make my flight almost completely silent, perfect for sneaking up on my dinner. Fact number 3. People are always amazed at how I can turn my head almost all the way around, 270 degrees. My neck has extra bones that give me this superpower. Fact number 4. I have a lot of relatives, over 200 species, from the tiny elf owl to the massive eagle owl. We come in all shapes and sizes. Fact number 5. My feathers are more than just for flying. They are my camouflage. I blend right into my surroundings, whether it's a tree trunk or the forest floor. Fact number 6. My eyes face forward, just like yours. This gives me fantastic depth perception, making it easier to spot and swoop on my prey. Fact number 7. My ears might not be visible, but they are incredible. Some are a bit off-center, which helps me pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, even in total darkness. Fact number 8. I am a bit of a lone wolf, or should I say lone owl. I prefer hunting solo and staking out my territory. It is a quiet life, but I like it that way. Fact number 9. People have been fascinated by me for centuries. In ancient Greece, they even thought I was a symbol of wisdom and associated me with Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Fact number 10. I am not a picky eater, while I usually snack on small mammals. I am also happy to catch insects, fish, birds, and sometimes even other owls if I am hungry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.